Okay, that's the rear of the chassis. So in a incorrectly installed one, the top will be on it. What you're going to do is you're going to attack it from this direction. And what you're trying to accomplish is to grab a hold of this little flange and pull it up, which will then push the whole thing forward, and then you'll be able to get it off. So, well, trust me. There we go. So once you do that, then it should come right off. Now normally, like I say, when it was installed, that little guy was underneath this bit right here. So you just attack it from the back. Okay, so that flat piece that got stuck, there's the flange that we were talking about, is normally part of the rail. Right, so this part here goes forward, should go on the forward part, so that the box sits here, and then you slide the whole thing out.
Actually, you got that. Yeah.
No, that's correct. So, what has happened is rather than it being toward the front, it's toward the back, like so. And so, if you note, between here, you have to go through in there and grab that little flange. This will be toward the back of the chassis. And you have to put the device, or the hacksaw blade that we used, to get in here and under here, and it's right around there. There's the flange right there. So through there and pop it up, and it should all pop forward.
All right, so I took a hacksaw blade, and I got a pair of pliers and bent the end of it down so that it has a slight bend here, just the tip, and then took the whole thing and gave it a bend this way so that the whole thing has a curve to the whole thing and then a bent part right at the tip. And I took that with the curved side, with it facing this way, slid it in from the back, and kind of moved it so that it would push against the thing. And once it won't move, then I took a screwdriver. Hang on, let me get it caught again. It's not far enough in.
You got to get past that white thing is the problem.
It wasn't completely on, I don't think.
Yeah. All right, and the hacksaw blade ends up inside that flange that we were talking about. And that's why it popped out.
Yeah. Yeah.